Hi guys! Welcome back to Wonder Eats. Today we are going to somewhere very special, which is at Glam Camping Saigon. Right, and here with Jamie.
Hi guys!
From FilViet Buddies. Yeah, do check out their channel. It will be in the description below. And we have a very lovely cameraman behind. Her name is Jay. Thank you, Jay.
You can
All
serve me.
Yeah. That's lovely. All right, so we're here pretty early, about 5:15-ish. We didn't make reservations, so hopefully we can get a table. And I saw from Google Maps that the view is kind of nice.
Yeah,
right?
hopefully we can see the sunset because a bit crowdy today.
Yeah. Jamie's been singing too much today, so it's a bit crowded.
Let's go to the street.
All right. Okay. So guys, this is Thảo Điền, just west of District 1. Whoa, it's a Korean barbecue restaurant. So you do the pleasure. I can't speak Vietnamese.
Okay, sure.
My goodness.
Đã còn bàn ở ngoài sát ngoài ấy không? Tại mình định đặt từ sáng nay nhưng mà không gọi được.
Wow, this place is really cool. Hopefully, don't think we'll get the sunset today, unfortunately, but the view of the Landmark81 Towers, wow. And the river is so quick. What a view, what a view. Hopefully the food is just as good. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
To your good health.
To you tell.
To your safe trip back.
And to your YouTube.
Look at the upstairs seating. That's cool. Alright, the food has arrived. The salad. What is this again, Jamie?
It's actually beef and
Rice.
normal fried rice, fried potato.
Fries with potatoes.
Yeah.
Okay. Beef. So there's beef. This is a signature chicken with what sauce?
Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce. Alright. And that is a squid, I believe.
Squid and rice. That's all.
Squid and rice.
It's
Alright.
omelette and
Lovely. Let's feast.
let's jump in.
Let's try the beef. Oh man. Wow. There's the beef right there. Don't know you guys can see it, but it's so tender.
Yeah.
Không, xả ra lên nữa.
Trộn lên nào. Wow, that beef.
This one is really spicy.
Really? Okay, let's try the chicken.
But I saw one of your videos that you book a girl for a tour.
Yeah. In Ho Chi Minh, right?
Yeah, you know what you mean. And there's like a website or something.
Yeah.
How did,
Saigon hotpot.
how did you know that? That's so cool.
Google. Google search.
They provide you like free tour, right?
Yeah. Because they are all students.
Oh yeah, they're trying to learn
Yeah,
English.
they're trying to learn English. Very cool.
Người Hồng Kông Hà Nội cũng có đấy.
That beef.
Hồi trước Tăng An đấy.
I can see why this chicken is their signature. Because it's really good.
Just a bit spicy.
Yeah, spicy though. Yeah. It's alright for me, but it's too spicy for Jamie. Ah! You guys have the spiciest chili and you cannot take spicy.
We do.
Wait until this one. I told her do not too spicy,
Oh.
but we will see.
We
You know-
have the spiciest chili.
Because the one that you eat with pho, the light green chili, the cut chili, they put
Oh, that one.
that is so
I
spicy.
can't eat that one either.
Oh my god. But it's so good.
Yeah, my mom can eat it, but
That is so spicy. Last time where did we go? But we had something quite spicy also and you couldn't take it.
Like which one? Like
I
in
can't
the
remember. I think
barbecue?
it was in Hanoi.
Yeah.
There was somewhere we went that it was very spicy. Can't remember where it was.
Is it a barbecue or?
Yeah, I think so.
Barbecue place. It's amazing place.
But the chicken is so tender.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Really good.
So spicy.
Oh, I'm sweating.
Is this a sausage? No.
No, tomato. Cherry tomato.
Rất là
Yeah, this is good.
Minh ăn thử cái tỏi không?
These are, I think, garlic, right?
Garlic.
Garlic.
It's actually really good.
Yeah. It's really good. So here's the bill and the dishes that we had. 1 million.
Mấy cái
Oh,
cảm ơn nhé.
we had to take away because we are so full. How's the meal, guys?
Yeah, it's delicious, amazing,
Alright.
but
Spicy.
it's just a little bit spicy and too full. A lot. We order a lot. Thanks to Daryl.
Hey, no problem. My pleasure, my pleasure, my pleasure. All right, so thank you guys for following us here to Glam Camping something. Yeah, Labong restaurant rather. Okay. Of course, the details of the restaurant will be in the description below. And of course, please do support FilViet Buddies. Their link will be below. Hi Ryan. Sorry you're not here in Saigon. Okay. And yeah, thanks Jay for following us on this little food trip. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Pleasure.
Thanks for having us, and see you guys in the next video in Wonder East.
Yep.
Okay?
He said it best. Bye bye.
Bye guys.